Thinking of doing a ski season as a chalet chef? You've probably heard stories of sunshine, snow and soufflés, but post-Brexit the game has changed, big time. In this video I'll walk you through 5 things you need to know before you sign up for this adventure, especially if you're British. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip on how to actually land a chalet job in this new landscape. So number 1, the chalet chef industry is not what it was. The classic British catered chalet setup is mostly gone. Brexit forced UK-run chalet companies to register as EU businesses, or shut down. That wiped out the casual mid-range chalet experience. So what's left is either high-end chalets, professional, intense, Michelin vibes, or self-catering, where clients book their own private chef. So if you're picturing laid-back dinners, snowball fights, and a free lift pass, that dream died with the referendum. This is serious business now. Number 2, the visa situation is a headache. Unless you've got an EU passport or a carte de séjour, brace yourself. You'll need a sponsored job, a residence permit, and a French tax number. And while some companies help with the admin, most don't. And if you're not already trained and experienced, you're simply not worth the paperwork to them. Australians and Kiwis often get easier deals, but for now, for Brits, the process is long, fiddly, and likely to collapse if you miss a single form. Number 3, it could be more than just cooking. Your title might say chalet chef, but your reality could also include hosting, driving, fire starting, toilet unblocking, and laundry whispering. And here's the additional kicker. If you're expected to drive guests, you'll now need a professional taxi license that can cost over 20,000 euros in France. So a lot of companies just stopped offering guest transport. Sure, there are bar jobs, cleaning gigs, maintenance roles, but they come with the same visa headaches. Number 4, high-end chalet work equals high expectations. Luxury chalets still exist, but they come with serious demands, and you need to be well experienced and good with professional customer interaction. You don't need 15 years in a fine dining restaurant, but you do need a strong repertoire and some good experience in private catering. Guests expect fine dining every night if that's what they're into, immaculate service, and a cheerful, discreet presence that delivers. There can't be excuses. This is not a gap year. It's hospitality at the highest level. If you're not up to that standard, you won't last a week. And finally, number 5, my honest advice. If you're under 21 and fresh out of school, is to wait. Get trained and get your hands dirty. Work as many different jobs as you can and start to plan your career in cooking. Maybe try a summer season first and then hit the snow at 21 plus with some firepower behind you. You'll land better jobs, make more money, and avoid being the unpaid dog's body who cries into their fondue halfway through January. If you want to skip the trial and error and you're serious about doing this properly, then download my free Chalet Chef prep guide. It's a bit of a mini workshop that gives you real-world advice and helps you map out your path into the industry. When it actually comes to landing a winter chalet job, apply early. Seriously, as early as May. Get your paperwork sorted. Don't wait till October to ask about visas. And please, please don't get your mum to spam Facebook job groups. That's a massive turn off for companies. Use agencies, message companies directly, build a portfolio and sell yourself like a pro. You can grab our recommended agents and Facebook groups PDF below, and that will save you hours of guesswork. So whether you want to be a chalet chef or start building your profitable freelance career as a private chef, check out our free guide to mapping out your career as a chef. I've trained hundreds of chefs to build serious careers over the years, and this short, free course will help you to plan your entry into the industry with conviction and much more efficiently than you ever thought possible. Good luck. Thanks for watching. See you soon.